Hi guys, welcome to Gorzów Wielkopolski here in Western Poland. The Polish people love their Tarczyński. I have a whole bunch of them right here to try. I've only ever tried one, and that's just standard Tarczyński, which is basically like a dried sausage of some sort. And so I'm going to be trying all these different flavors that I've just bought from a Biedronka around the corner to see if there's others that I like or don't like or whatever. I just see if the others are actually really good. There's loads of flavors. These are the ones that I could get from the local Biedronka. And yeah, there's not going to be every single flavor that they have because there's loads. But I've got a good like 12 packets or so of Tarczyński, different flavors. And the first one we're going to be trying is this one, which I believe is just like the standard Tarczyński, which is basically pork, wieprzowy pork. So we're going to try this one. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like salami in a way. Here we go. This one I know I like because I've actually had this one before. But we're going to try it anyway on camera and then we'll go from here. Yeah, so this one's a really good one. Smoked sausage. It's pretty good base to go off of. Up next we have a veal one. So I'm interested with this one. It's quite similar to the first one actually, the pork. If you were to give me a blind test, I don't think I'd be able to differentiate the two. So yeah, veal one's pretty good as well. Slight difference in flavour actually. But overall still a pretty decent Tarczyński flavour. This one is smoked Tarczyński. So we'll give this a go. And this is a big packet as well, so hopefully we like this one. Not as good as the other two. It's okay. Not my favourite. Not sure if I'd go back to that one. Up next we have paluszki chili. Paluszki just means sticks. So the others were kind of connected all together. These will just be individual sticks. Open it up and give these a go. Chili flavoured Tarczyński. Let's see. Yeah, that's not it. Let's just move on to the next one. That one's the worst one so far. Spicy chicken. Now, I've just had a chili flavoured one. I wasn't a fan. This would be my first chicken Tarczyński. I don't know if I like the idea of chicken being in like a straw like this. Well, like, I don't know, being processed in this way. My diet at home normally is like 90% chicken, but like chicken breast as opposed to chicken in like sticks or whatever. So let's give this a go. Spicy chicken. Yeah, no, I don't like that. Next one. This one should be quite similar to the first one I had, so I should like this one. This is poultry with pork. Let's just give it a go. The other one was pork just without the poultry. Yeah, this one's nice. It's the same basically as the first one. I don't really taste much of a difference. Just your standard typical tasting sausage, I would say. This one is poultry with pork and peppers. I'm interested with this one. I wonder what the peppers is gonna taste like. I wonder if it's hot peppers or more like a bell pepper. The picture has a bell pepper on it, and I quite like bell peppers. I don't like that taste. Bell peppers with like the sausagey pork flavored thing. For me, that doesn't mix well. Dried tomato. I'm quite interested with this. On the front packaging, it looks like there might be something inside the sausage itself. So let's give this a go. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. I don't like that. That was really odd. I mean, it was the dried tomato taste, but again, in a sausage, the dried tomato taste really just ugh. So this one I think is just 100% chicken palushki, the sticks, just chicken, just standard chicken. So unlike the other chicken we tried, which had some kind of chili, I think, with it, this one is just chicken on its own. This one's okay. The idea of having chicken, again, in like a stick form like this, where it's all kind of smushed together, I don't know, for me it just doesn't make sense. Like chicken should be as the actual thing, like as a thigh or a leg or whatever. As a stick like this, it kind of puts me off before I even try it, so that might have some kind of basis off of why I didn't like it. But I mean, yeah, it did taste like chicken, so maybe it did its job. Kabanos sausage with poultry, pork, and carrot. Carrot is quite an interesting one to shove in there, and I was kind of interested picking it up. I can smell that strength. What the hell? I'm kind of scared now to eat this because I can smell how strong this is. Okay, that wasn't bad, it wasn't nice, but I wouldn't have it again. This one I think is just normal Kabanos, but it's baked rather than however they normally cook it. Significantly thicker pieces as well. That one I actually like. And for the last one of the video, the last one I could find within the biedronka is going to be serowe, which is cheese. Let's try this. This one I may like depending on what kind of cheese it is. And I imagine the cheese is going to be in the middle, kind of like the dried tomato one. It's not. It's just like cheese flavored. Oh God. What cheese is that? That's like a strong... Fuck. That's a strong... I don't even know what cheese it is, but it's not nice. Ugh. Oh, that's disgusting. Well guys, there you have it. Out of 12 packets of Tarczyński, I like 4 of them, which are going to be the baked Tarczyński, these 2 different pork Tarczyńskis, and Tarczyński with veal. However, all of these were horrible. I'm sorry, I really wanted to like them, honestly. I really like the original Tarczyński, but obviously all these different flavors just are nowhere near as good, in my opinion, as, you know, the original flavors. So that's that. If I find any more, maybe I'll add them on to the end of this video, but that's going to be it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to see other videos similar to this, let me know in the comment section down below. Also, please like, comment, and subscribe. It'd really help me out if you could. And with all that out of the way, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, have a great day. And from Gorzów Wielkopolski, peace out.